This is the Canadian National Railroad Swing Bridge. And it crosses the Richard Cottrell River at Noyan, Quebec, Canada. Now you see the trains going over this bridge, and the bridge swings aside, like pivots aside for ships and boats, and it swings back for train traffic. And so, you got a lot of rail bridges that used to either the Canadian Pacific or Canadian National or whatnot, and then other railroad companies or whatnot, right? So, so this bridge is at Noyan, Quebec, Canada, and it's still in use, I believe. Yeah, because there's trains going over this bridge all the time.